Hello everyone, welcome to Dental Shots. This video we are going to see how to calculate the amount of anesthetic agent and amount of vasoconstrictor which is present in a single cartridge. Okay, so let's consider 2% lidocaine with an epinephrine of concentration 1:1 lakh concentration. Okay, so we all know our cartridge contains 1.8 ml of solution. So for calculating the amount of anesthetic agent present in a cartridge, we are going to consider a local anesthesia of 2% lidocaine, which will be mentioned already. So in 2% lidocaine means it is 2 grams in 100 ml. So first we are going to convert 100 ml into 1 ml. How much of milligram of lidocaine is present in 1 ml? For that you will be dividing 2 divided by 100, which gives you 0.02 gram of lidocaine in 1 ml. But our cartridge contains 1.8 ml. So we have to find out how much of lidocaine is present in 1.8 ml. So we are going to multiply this 0.02 into 1.8, which gives you a value of 0.036 gram in 1.8 ml. So if you convert this gram into milligram, it gives you in milligram, it would be multiplied with 1000. So it is 36 milligram in 1.8 ml of 2% lidocaine. Okay, so this is the calculation. So if you are not using a cartridge, then you have to convert this 1.8 ml into 2 ml, because if you have 2 ml or 2.5 ml of syringe, you have to convert this 1.8 into how much of ml you are using. At the same time, if you are not using 2% lidocaine, if you are using 5%, then you have to substitute 2 with a 5. Okay, then you can calculate it. So in 2% lidocaine, it contains 36 milligram in a single cartridge. Then how to calculate the amount of vasoconstrictor present in a single cartridge. So the epinephrine, now we are going to consider, for example, whether if it is 1:1 lakh. Okay, it would be mentioned. So if it is 1:1 lakh, we have to for understanding purpose, initially we will consider, instead of 1:1 lakh, we will just put 1:1. Okay, so 1:1 means it contains 1 gram is present in 1 ml. Okay, if it is 1:1, it means 1 gram in 1 ml. If it is 1:1000, then it is 1 milligram in 1 ml. Okay, in this scenario it is 1:1 lakh. So if it is 1:1 lakh, it means 0.01 milligram of epinephrine vasoconstrictor present in 1 ml. But the cartridge contains 1.8 ml. Okay, so if it is 1.8 ml, we are going to multiply this 0.01 into 1.8, which gives you a value of 0.018 milligram in a cartridge. So if you convert this, okay, into a round value, that is, it is 18 microgram in 1.8 ml of cartridge. So the content present of is epinephrine, which is of 1:1 lakh concentration, contains 18 microgram in a cartridge. So this is the calculation. So if you want to calculate for a syringe, then you have to convert the ml. Instead of 1.8, you can change into how much of ml you are using, whichever syringe, disposable syringe you are using. And also you have to change, for example, if you are using 1:80,000, then instead of here you have to do it with 1:80,000. So this will give you an overall view of how to calculate the amount of local anesthesia, local anesthetic agent, and amount of vasoconstrictor present in any local anesthesia for that matter. So this is the most important question asked by your professors during your viva or discussion time. So I hope this video will be useful for you. So if you have any clarification, kindly comment on the session, or if you need some other topic of your concern, you can kindly comment so that I will upload it later. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Thank you.